Well, the post office called. They said those chicks are here. I'm on my way to go get them. Well, I hear peeps. These chicks got to be hot and thirsty. Let's get them home and get them out of this box. Well, thank you, Mr. Red. Let's take a look, see what we got. Didn't bring my pocket knife with me. Looks like we got a box of chicks. So I ordered 17 chicks. 15 of them are supposed to be females. But, you know, they're not always 100% accurate. 5 of them are supposed to be olive eggers, 5 Easter eggers, 5 red comets, and I ordered 2 roosters, French black copper marrons. I'm going to take a look at this paperwork. Thank you, Mr. Ed. I'm not sure how I can tell these Easter eggers apart from the olive eggers, so maybe you have an idea, or maybe something on that paperwork can give me an idea. All right, well, you see as much information as I see. Well, those two both had purple chins. They're the only black ones in there, so I'm assuming those are the French black copper marron roosters. Some people say give one of them a drink, and the rest of them will learn to drink from that one. The other people say give them all a drink. They've been in the mail for a few days, so they got to be thirsty. I'm going to give them all a drink. Picked up some chick starter. I'll grab that here in a minute and see if I can't get any of them to eat. Ain't that a pretty color? Last one. I wasn't counting, was you? I can't count. I counted 18. Maybe they give me one extra. They usually do. Let's run and see if we can't find that chick starter. Been sometimes in the past when I didn't have any chick starter, I'd just take the regular egg pellets and I'd run them through like a Ninja blender, crush them up a little smaller, so them chicks could eat them easier. That seemed to work just as well. It's a lot cheaper than buying chick starter. I'm really surprised some of them hens haven't come over here to see what all the commotion's about. I'm going to put this feeder back together and set it back in there. I don't want none of these chicks jumping out on me. Oh, there's the first one. Said it once before, and I'll say it again. Got too many chickens in the chicken coop. You guys are on the wrong side. It'd be over there away from this door so I can get it shut. I'm going to open this back up. Maybe they'll figure it out quicker. I think the noise might have caught her attention. She's one of my original hens. That's not a good place to be. All right, I think they're figuring it out now. No casualties during shipment, so that's a good thing. Well, I'm going to take a guess that the chipmunk colored ones are the Easter eggers. Some of them brown ones got to be the golden comets. I think the two French black cockamarons, those are obviously the black ones. And some of them other ones, they got to be the olive eggers. If you know for sure, leave me a comment down below. I like to get some leg bands on these things so I can know which ones are which. Maybe it'll be easier to tell as they get older. Well, I'm going to go ahead and turn this heat lamp on just in case they're a little cold. They seem to all be doing really well right now. They definitely seem to be more hungry than they are thirsty. Little gray one down there somehow found a cicada. Somebody took it away from him. Oh, this one did. Trying to gobble it up. Grab it and run. Looks like some of them are gathering up around that heat lamp. Still fighting over that cicada. Much as he's been eating, they gotta be thirsty by now. That one's figuring it out. I went ahead and moved this 4x4 frame that's holding that drinker up against the very walls. That way nobody can get down in here and get stuck. Looks like more of them are catching on to where to get a drink of water at. That's a good sign. That one back there, he's still working on that cicada. Well, I believe I'll give these guys a chance to settle in. I appreciate y'all watching this afternoon. And I'll catch y'all next time here at the Little Do Homestead. Have a good evening, everybody.